Hello students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 1 factors and multiples. Lecture number 4. In this lecture I shall discuss about divisibility by 2, 3 and 4. Exercise 1D question number 1, 2 and 5. Now, divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones place is an even digit, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. गिवन नंबर हमारा 2 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, हम क्या देखते हैं कि इफ़ द डिजिट एट दी वंस प्लेस पे अगर डिजिट हमारी इवन डिजिट है, डैट इज़ 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8, तो वो गिवन नंबर हमारा 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय एन एग्जाम्पल्स. सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. इज़ 1042 डिविजिबल बाय 2? क्या 1042 हमारा 2 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी here in this number 1042, the ones digit is 2, that is an even digit. So 1042 is divisible by 2. Now example number 2. Is 451 divisible by 2? क्या 451 हमारा 2 से divisible है? How we will check? See, here in this number 451, the ones digit is 1, that is not an even digit. So 451 is not divisible by 2. Now example number 3. Is 71,948 divisible by 2? क्या 71,948 हमारा 2 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी हेयर इन दिस नंबर 71,948, द वंस डिजिट इज 8, दैट इज एन इवन डिजिट. सो 71,948 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. नाउ divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. गिवन नंबर हमारा 3 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, हम क्या करते हैं, इफ़ द सम ऑफ इट्स डिजिट्स, अगर उस नंबर की सभी डिजिट्स को हम ऐड करते हैं, उनका सम करते हैं, देन डैट इफ़ इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3, अगर वो हमारा 3 से डिविजिबल है, देन डैट गिवन नंबर इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 3, तो वो नंबर भी हमारा 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय एन एग्जाम्पल्स. सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. इज़ 5124 डिविजिबल बाय 3? क्या 5124 हमारा 3 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इक्वल 5 + 1 + 2 + 4. We will add the digits. See, 5 + 1 6 + 2 8 + 4 12. Now check whether 12 is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3 right here. So 12 is divisible by 3. Thus 5124 is divisible by 3. Now example number 2. Is 7144 divisible by 3? क्या 7144 हमारा 3 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इक्वल 7 + 1 + 4 + 4. We will add the following digits. See, 7 + 1 8 + 4 12 + 4 16. Now check whether 16 is divisible by 3 or not. No, 16 is not divisible by 3 right here. So 16 is not divisible by 3. Thus 7144 24 is not divisible by 3. Now, example number 3 is 58,515 डिविजिबल बाय 3. क्या 58,515 हमारा 3 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी, सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इक्वल 5 + 8 + 5 + 1 + 5. We will add the digits. See, 5 + 8 13 + 5 18 + 1 19 + 5 24. Now check whether 24 is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 24 is divisible by 3. So right here, so 24 is divisible by 3. Thus 58,515 is divisible by 3. Now, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. गिवन नंबर हमारा 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, कैसे चेक करेंगे? इफ़ द नंबर फॉर्म्ड बाय इट्स लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स, अगर गिवन नंबर की लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स जो नंबर बन रहा है अगर वो 4 से हमारा डिविजिबल है, सो डैट नंबर विल ऑल्सो बी डिविजिबल बाय 4. सो वो हमारा गिवन नंबर भी 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय एन एग्जाम्पल्स. सी, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 is 8,728 divisible by 4. क्या 8,728 हमारा 4 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी, आंसर in the given number 8,728, the last 2 digits are 2 and 8. Number formed is 28. Right here, the number formed by its last 2 digits is 28. Now check whether 28 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, 28 is divisible by 4. Right here, so 28 is divisible by 4. Thus 8,728 is divisible by 4. Now example number 2 is 28,281 divisible by 4. क्या 28,281 हमारा 4 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी, इन द गिवन नंबर 28,281, द लास्ट 2 digits are 8 and 1. So number formed is 81. Right? The number formed by its last 2 digits is 81. Now check whether 81 is divisible by 4 or not. No, 81 is not divisible by 4. Right here, so 81 is not divisible by 4. Thus 28,281 is not divisible by 4. Now example number 3 is 71,648 divisible by 4. क्या 71,648 हमारा 4 से डिविजिबल है? हाउ वी विल चेक? सी, in the given number 71,648, the last 2 digits are 4 and 8. Number formed is 48. Right here, the number formed by its last 2 digits is 48. Now check whether 48 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, 48 is divisible by 4. Right here, so 48 is divisible by 4. Thus 71,648 is divisible by 4. Solve the following questions. Exercise 1D from Together with Essence book term 2. Question number 1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? A part 4,263. Now for divisibility by 2, we will see the ones place digit. Answer C. Here the ones digit is 3, that is not an even digit. So 4,263 is not divisible by 2. Now next B part 8516. Answer C. Here the ones digit is 6, that is an even digit. So 8516 is divisible by 2. Now next, D part, 35,828. Answer C. Here the ones digit is 8. In this number 35,828, the ones digit is 8, that is an even digit. So 35,828 is divisible by 2. Now next question number 2. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? A part, 817. For divisibility by 3, we have to sum of all the digits in the number. Answer C. Sum of digits equal 8 plus 1 plus 7. We will add these digits. See, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 7, 16. 16. Now check whether 16 is divisible by 3 or not. No, 16 is not divisible by 3. So 16 is not divisible by 3. Thus 817 is not divisible by 3. Now next, 607. Answer C. Sum of digits equal 6 plus 0 plus 7. Now we will add these digits. See, 6 plus 0, 6 plus 7, 13. Now check whether 13 is divisible by 3 or not. No, 13 is not divisible by 3. Now write, so 13 is not divisible by 3. Thus 607 is not divisible by 3. Now next part, D part, 2013. Answer C. Sum of digits equal 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3. Now we will add these digits. See, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. Now check whether 6 is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 6 is divisible by 3. Right? So 6 is divisible by 3. Thus 2013 is divisible by 3. Now come to next question number 5th. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? A part, 36,443. Now for divisibility by 4, the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. So that number will also be divisible by 4. Now see in this question. Answer C. In the given number 36,443, the last two digits are 4 and 3. Number formed is 43. The number formed by its last two digits is 43. Now check whether 43 is divisible by 4 or not. No, 43 is not divisible by 4. Right? So 43 is not divisible by 4. Thus 36,443 is not divisible by 4. Now B part, 41,080. Answer C. In the given number 41,080, the last two digits are 8 and 0. The number formed is 80. The number formed by its last two digits is 80. Now check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, 80 is divisible by 4. Right here. So 80 is divisible by 4. Thus 41,080 is divisible by 4. Now next part, D part, 6,71,088. Answer. See, in the given number 6,71,088, the last two digits are 8 and 8. The number formed is 88. Now check whether 88 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, 88 is divisible by 4. Right here. So 88 is divisible by 4. Thus 6,71,088 is divisible by 4. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 1D. Question number 1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? C part, 2,971. E part, 75,030. Now question number 2. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? B part, 480. E part, 5082. Now question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? C part, 1,85,784. E part, 67,213. These are the questions assigned as homework. I hope you have done homework of lecture number 3 of chapter number 1. Now I will discuss solution of homework assigned in lecture number 3. Solve the following questions. Exercise 1C. Question number 1. Write down the prime factors of the following numbers. B part, 90. First we will write the factors of 90 and then we will write the prime factors. Answer. Factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45, 90. See, these are the factors of 90. We will divide this 90 by this following numbers 1 by 1 to calculate the factors, that whether it is a factor or not. See, 90, 90. We will divide 90 by 1. 90 is divisible by 1, so 1 is a factor. Now next number 2. Divide 90 by 2, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 2, so 2 is a factor. Now next number 3. Divide 90 by 3, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 3, so 3 is a factor. Now next number 5. Divide 90 by 5, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 5, so 5 is a factor. Now next number 6. Divide 90 by 6, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 6, so 6 is a factor. Next number 9. Divide 90 by 9, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 9, so 9 is a factor. Next number 10. Divide 90 by 10, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 10, so 10 is a factor. Now next number 15. Divide 90 by 15, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 15, so 15 is a factor. Now next number 18. Divide 90 by 18, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 18, so 18 is a factor. Now next number 30. Divide 90 by 30, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 30, so 30 is a factor. Now next number 45. Divide 90 by 45, so that remainder is 0. So 90 is divisible by 45. So 45 is a factor. Now next number 90. That same number. This 90 is divisible by 90. So 90 is a factor. So these are the factors of 90. Now prime factors of 90 are 2, 3 and 5. Now D part 339. We will write the prime factors of 339. First we will calculate the factors of 339 and then we will write the prime factors of 339. Answer C. Factors of 339 are 1, 3, 113, 339. See, 1 divide 339 by 1. So 339 is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor. Now next number 3. Divide 339 by 3. So that remainder is 0. So 339 is divisible by 3. So 3 is a factor. Now next number 113. Divide 339 by 113. So that remainder is 0. So 339 is divisible by 113. So 113 is a factor. Now next number 339. That same number. So 339 is divisible by 339. So 339 is a factor. So these are the factors. Now prime factors of 339 are 3 and 113. Now F part 98. We will write the prime factors of 98, but first we will calculate the factors of 98 and then we will write the prime factors. Answer C. Factors of 98 are 1, 2, 7, 14, 49, 98. See, these are the factors. See, first 1, divide 98 by 1. So 98 is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor. Now next number 2, divide 98 by 2. So that remainder is 0. So 98 is divisible by 2. So 2 is a factor. Now take next number 7. Divide 98 by 7. So that remainder is 0. So 98 is divisible by 7. So 7 is a factor. Now next number 14. Divide 98 by 14. So that remainder is 0. So 98 is divisible by 14. So 14 is a factor. Now next number 49. Divide 98 by 49. So that remainder is 0. So 98 is divisible by 49. So 49 is a factor. Now next number 98. That same number. So 98 is divisible by 98. So 98 is a factor. So these are the factors. Now prime factors of 98 are 2 and 7. Now come to question number 2. Express as the product of 3 factors. C part 75. Answer 75 equal 25 multiply 3. 25 3 ja 75. But 25 and 3 are the 2 factors. But we have to find the product of the 3 factors, this 75. But 25 and 3, they are the 2 factors. See, 25 can be written as 5 multiply 5. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Right here 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. So 75 equal 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. Now D part 12. Answer 12 equal 6 multiply 2. But 6 and 2 are the 2 factors. We have to write the 3 factors. See, 6 can be written as 2 multiply 3. 2 3 ja 6. Right here 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. So 12 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. Now come to question number 3. B part. Write the first 7 multiples of 12. We have to write the first 7 multiples of 12. means we will multiply this 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Answer. The first 7 multiples of 12 are, see, 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 7 ja 84. So the first 7 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and 84. Now D part. Write all odd numbers between 30 and 50. We have to write the odd numbers between 30 and 50. Answer. Odd numbers between 30 and 50 are 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. Now, question number 4th. Write P for prime and C for composite numbers. C part. 38 equal dash. We know that prime is, we have only two factors, 1 and that same number itself. But C composite numbers, and composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. जिसके 2 से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं वो हमारे composite number होते हैं. So 38 equal dash. Answer. See, 38 is composite number. So write 38 equal C. C for composite number. D part. 46 equal dash. Answer. 46 is a composite number. So write here 46 equal C. C for composite number. Now G part. 99 equal dash. Answer. 99 is a composite number. So write here 99 equal C. C for composite number. H part. 2 equal dash. Answer. 2 is a prime number. So write 2 equal P. P for prime number. Now K part. 98 equal dash. 98 is a composite number. So write 98 equal C. C for composite number. Now L part. 73 equal dash. 73 is a prime number. So write 73 equal P. P for prime number. These are the solutions of lecture number 3. Now kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.